Welcome to TechieLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your screen on a Microsoft Teams meeting. So at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open the link and join the meeting. Or what you can do is just go to search and search for Microsoft Teams. Then from the best matches, just open up Microsoft Teams. From here, in the navigation tab, just go to Meet, which is for meetings. Then just create a meeting yourself and then join it. Then just make sure your microphone and camera settings are perfect. Then just click on Join Now. And after you have joined, you'll see an option here, Leave Call, and another is Share. Just click on Share Content. And after you have clicked that, you can either share one of your windows or you can just go ahead and share the entire screen. We will learn how to share the screen for this video. So just click on Screen. And there you go, you'll see a red border around your screen. This basically means that you are sharing your entire screen. As you can see in the small preview, that we are sharing our screen. As you can see, the mouse is also moving in the smaller preview. And if you want to stop sharing, just click on Stop Sharing here at the top. And there you go. And basically, that is it. And that is how to share your screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.